Whoa. This looks different. I think we're on Linux.
I'd just like to interject for a moment. What you're referring to as Linux is in fact GNU/Linux, or as I recently taken to calling it, GNU plus Linux. Linux is not an operating system unto itself, but rather another.
Shut up.
Fine.
Welcome to Mozilla Firefox, the default browser for this distro. Inside of Firefox, they put privacy first and it's fast.
Why not install Microsoft Edge?
Because we don't want it.
So? Come on. I know you want to try it.
No.
Well, guess what?
Yeah.
Thank me later.
Finally. He's gone. Wait a minute, did a new program just install? Oh my gosh. He installed Edge. Darn it.
There. I infiltrated the LibreOffice software. Now I can help assist Linux users. Hey, why is no one using the software? Because most people use Microsoft Word or something else. Darn. I was hoping to assist with some users here. Well, too bad for you, I guess. Yeah. Yo, it's the Blob Channel here. Today I got this awesome discs program at the store for $2 plus a burger. Anyways, as you can see with this cool program, I can mess with a virtual machine disk. You all see that minus button right here? I do too. We're gonna see what happens when we delete the disk while the operating system is running. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey!
Not on my watch, bozo. Did you close my window? You betcha. Whoa, what are you doing? Hey, let go of me! Breaking news, human remains were found inside of the trash bin on the Ubuntu virtual machine. The body appeared to be consumed alive by a creature with a big mouth and weird eyes. Yo, my mistake, I was a bit angry. Man, I love playing Minesweeper. That is cool, but why the Minesweeper? There's a built-in one. This one looks cooler, don't you think? It reminds me a bit of Windows. Well, you got a point. Man, infecting computers is fun. I can just use Wine to install my software. Woo! What? Why is site not connecting? Ah, you really thought that was going to work. You see this? The host computer's antivirus blocked the download despite us being in a virtual machine. Crap.